Handling Bill.com API rate limits is crucial to ensure seamless integration and prevent disruptions to your application. To begin, understand that Bill.com API has rate limits in place to prevent abuse and maintain system performance. The rate limits are based on the number of requests made within a specified time frame, typically per minute or per day. First, familiarize yourself with the Bill.com API documentation to know the specific rate limits for the endpoints you are using. The documentation provides detailed information on the allowed number of requests per time frame. Next, implement a rate limiting strategy in your application. One approach is to use a counter to track the number of requests made within the specified time frame. When the counter reaches the limit, pause your application for the remaining time in the frame before making more requests. Another strategy is to use an exponential backoff algorithm, which increases the pause time after each rate limit error. This approach helps prevent your application from overwhelming the API with repeated requests. It is also essential to handle rate limit errors properly. When a rate limit error occurs, your application should catch the error, pause, and then retry the request after the pause period. You can use a retry library or implement a custom retry mechanism. To further optimize your application, consider caching frequently accessed data to reduce the number of requests made to the Bill.com API. You can also use API endpoints that support batch requests, which allow you to retrieve or update multiple objects in a single request. Best practices for handling Bill.com API rate limits include monitoring your application's request rate, testing your rate limiting strategy, and adjusting your approach as needed. Additionally, consider using a queuing system to manage requests and prevent overwhelming the API. By following these steps and implementing a robust rate limiting strategy, you can ensure your application handles Bill.com API rate limits effectively, preventing disruptions and maintaining a seamless user experience.